Hi friends, in this video I am going to build a smart piggy bank. I don't see any such type of smart piggy bank in the YouTube till now. It will be a new experience for you. These are the components I used to build this project. This is an Arduino board. This is a color sensor to detect the color of the currency. The currency is identified by its color. This is an IR sensor used to detect the presence of the currency. Next we are moving on to the circuit. I used an Arduino board to control the peripherals. The IR sensor is used to detect the presence of the currency in the entry point. The VCC of the IR sensor is connected to 5 volt and the GND is connected to ground, and the out of the IR sensor is connected to D4 of the Arduino pin, and the color sensor is used to detect the color of the currency. By using the color we can identify which currency is inserted. Relay is used to turn on the motor. The relay is controlled using BC547. Okay, now I am going to the assembling side. I built this project using craft board. Okay, now I will show you the software I wrote for this smart piggy bank. You can refer this and you can comment your doubts. At first I am going to insert this 200 rupee note. In the display you can see the 200 rupee note is detected and the total amount is incremented by 200. Okay, now I am going to insert 100 rupee note, and now you can see in the display that the 100 rupee note is detected and it's displayed in the LCD, and the amount is increased by 100 and the total amount now will be 300. Okay, again I am going to insert an 100 rupee note. Okay, now I am trying it with a 20 rupee note, and you can see the 20 rupee note is detected and the 20 is added to the total, and it's became 520. Okay, this is all about the smart piggy bank. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.